Essential English clothing vocabulary.
T-shirt,
T-shirt. T-shirt.
shirt,
Shirt. Shirt.
blouse,
Blouse. Blouse.
tank top,
Tank top. Tank top.
crop top,
Crop top. Crop top.
bodysuit,
Bodysuit. Bodysuit.
kimono,
Kimono. Kimono.
poncho,
Poncho. Poncho.
sweater,
Sweater. Sweater.
jumper,
Jumper. Jumper.
hoodie,
Hoodie. Hoodie.
jacket,
Jacket. Jacket.
leather jacket,
Leather jacket. Leather jacket.
coat,
Coat. Coat.
raincoat,
Raincoat. Raincoat.
blazer,
Blazer. Blazer.
blazer dress,
Blazer dress. Blazer dress.
suit,
Suit. Suit.
vest,
Vest. Vest.
waistcoat,
Waistcoat. Waistcoat.
dress,
Dress. Dress.
skirt,
Skirt. Skirt.
pants,
Pants. Pants.
trousers,
Trousers. Trousers.
jeans,
Jeans. Jeans.
shorts,
Shorts. Shorts.
leggings,
Leggings. Leggings.
leggings with stirrups,
Leggings with stirrups. Leggings with stirrups.
sweatpants,
Sweatpants. Sweatpants.
overalls,
Overalls. Overalls.
dungarees,
Dungarees. Dungarees.
pajamas, PJs,
Pajamas, PJs. Pajamas, PJs.
singlet,
Singlet. Singlet.
bathrobe,
Bathrobe. Bathrobe.
undershirt,
Undershirt. Undershirt.
bra,
Bra. Bra.
panties,
Panties. Panties.
knickers,
Knickers. Knickers.
underwear,
Underwear. Underwear.
thong,
Thong. Thong.
Boxers.
Boxers. Boxers.
Briefs.
Briefs. Briefs.
Underpants.
Underpants. Underpants.
Pants.
Pants. Pants. Lingerie. Lingerie.
Corset.
Corset. Corset.
Nightgown.
Nightgown. Nightgown.
Nightdress.
Nightdress. Nightdress.
Robe.
Robe. Robe.
Scarf.
Scarf. Scarf.
Gloves.
Gloves. Gloves.
Mittens.
Mittens. Mittens.
Beanie.
Beanie. Beanie.
Earmuffs.
Earmuffs. Earmuffs.
Thermal underwear.
Thermal underwear. Thermal underwear.
Snow boots.
Snow boots. Snow boots.
Overcoat.
Overcoat. Overcoat.
Hat.
Hat. Hat.
Cap.
Cap. Cap.
Baseball cap.
Baseball cap. Baseball cap.
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses. Sunglasses.
Watch.
Watch. Watch.
Bracelet.
Bracelet. Bracelet.
Necklace.
Necklace. Necklace.
Ring.
Ring. Ring.
Earrings.
Earrings. Earrings.
Belt.
Belt. Belt.
Tie.
Tie. Tie.
Bow tie.
Bow tie. Bow tie.
Hairband.
Hairband. Hairband.
Headband.
Headband. Headband.
Hair clip.
Hair clip. Hair clip.
Brooch.
Brooch. Brooch.
Cufflinks.
Cufflinks. Cufflinks.
Suspenders.
Suspenders. Suspenders.
Braces.
Braces. Braces.
Handbag.
Handbag. Handbag.
Purse.
Purse. Purse.
Backpack.
Backpack. Backpack.
Wallet.
Wallet. Wallet.
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Umbrella.
Face mask.
Face mask. Face mask.
Glasses.
Glasses. Glasses.
Shoes.
Shoes. Shoes.
Sneakers.
Sneakers. Sneakers.
Trainers.
Trainers. Trainers.
Boots.
Boots. Boots.
High heels.
High heels. High heels.
Sandals.
Sandals. Sandals.
Slippers.
Slippers. Slippers.
Flip-flops.
Flip-flops. Flip-flops.
Loafers.
Loafers. Loafers.
Wedges.
Wedges. Wedges.
Clogs.
Clogs. Clogs.
Moccasins.
Moccasins. Moccasins.
Ankle boots.
Ankle boots. Ankle boots.
Socks.
Socks. Socks.
Stockings.
Stockings. Stockings.
Tights.
Tights. Tights.
Leg warmers.
Leg warmers. Leg warmers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you learn some useful clothing vocabulary in English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning videos. See you in the next one, and stay stylish.